Have a wonderful day. I welcome you back to another episode of my talk on education. Today, the focus is on the students during the lockdown. I would like to talk on how to turn tensions into intentions. During this lockdown period, a lot of confusions in the minds of the students, and they themselves will say many times that I wanted to study but I cannot. I'm not able to pass this exam, and I was born in a poor family, so the future is not known. My parents are not educated. I studied in local language medium and it's difficult to understand the things. Urban students are more intelligent, and there is nobody in my house to guide me. I could do wonders if I had money. I could not go to any coaching center, so I'm not well equipped. I lost my parents in my childhood. It's all my fate and bad luck. My stars are not good. I get sleep when I open the book. My mind is occupied. My parents nags me, study, study, study always. I study much but remember very little. I have no concentration. So these are all the confusions in mind that goes on, whether the students express or do not. But there are way out. How to turn these tensions into intentions. And first of all, I would suggest that have a positive attitude. Be strong and be confident and say, I love my studies, I love learning new topics during these periods. My memory is good, I can get good marks, I can achieve my goal, I'm clever and intelligent, and I will achieve in life. And the students should know their destinations. Many times they do not know where they are ultimately going to reach. Try to create your own future during this period. Discipline your study system. Find a place to study. Know some good techniques of studies. Regularly study to recall the matter what you have studied so that you can write well in the exam. Improve your writing skills. Keep in your mind what you have studied. Frequent reading the same will make you to remember it better. There will not be any fear before the exam. Feel comfortable to answer in exams. So this is what you have to do during this particular time. So from negative attitude to that of the positive attitude, you can turn the tensions into intentions. And hope you will like my talk, and if you like and appreciate, subscribe and encourage this particular video. Thank you.